I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Blizzard account. And for those people who do not know Blizzard is like an online gaming website where you guys can, download games. Basically, you can think of it as, Steam, where you guys can buy games. So in here, you can buy free games and play games of Blizzard company or games which is related to Blizzard like Call of Duty online version. So just keep that in mind. But if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Blizzard to know more about it. Alright. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. If you want to search for Blizzard, search for Blizzard, you want to go on where it says Blizzard Entertainment. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Blizzard. Once you're over here, you want to go on My Account. And on My Account, you want to click on where it says Create a Free Account because we want to create ourselves an account, alright? And once you're over here, you want to choose the country and the date of birth. So let me do that real quick. Or you can, easily sign up using these three options like your Facebook, Apple, or your Google. You can click on one of these options. After that, it's going to ask you for your, Google information or your Apple ID or your Facebook information. Provide them that and you'll sign up. In this way, you have to fill up a form. So let me show you guys what form I'm talking about. After entering the date, click on continue. And it's going to ask you to solve this verification problem. Pick the bear. Pick the bear. Once more time, pick the bear, done. Basically, once you're verified, it's going to take you to the next step. Once you're over here, you want to enter your first name and last name. Let me do that. And you want to enter the email address. Your phone number is optional. If you want to add, you can add. But if you don't want to, you can leave it empty. I'm going to enter my email and continue. After clicking continue, you want to, tick mark these both options and click and continue. After you do that, you want to choose a password for your account. After you choose the password, you want to click and continue. It's asking to choose yourself a username, so I'm going to be choosing myself a username. You can enter the random one it gives you as well. Choosing a username, click and continue. As you guys can see, my Blizzard account has been created. That's how easy it is to create yourself a Blizzard account. So yeah, that's basically how easy it is. Hope you guys are able to understand the video.